Today's fragrance is a bear of a scent. Stay tuned for more. Hi everyone, this is Peter from Scent-Trail. On this channel, we talk about fragrances. So if you like fragrances or just like smelling nice, consider subscribing so you can get the scoop on great designer or niche fragrances. So the fragrance we're looking at today is by Moschino, Toy Boy. The nose behind this unique fragrance is Jan Vasnier. Moschino released this one in 2019. So let's look at the bottle and let's look at the box and see what we can get into. So this is a cute little bottle from Moschino, Toy Boy. Got Moschino written on the front of it. It's a black shiny bear. The top is the head. Sprayer is right underneath. Let's see. It's a tight little cap. The bottle is pretty heavy, but it definitely, the head will support its body. You have the information of the bottle on the bottom. This is 100 milliliter. You got the badge code on the bottom as well. I don't see how anyone can not like this bottle. It's a little kitschy, but it's super cute. Also, on the box, you will find the batch code on the bottom. This is CO204, and it matches with this one right here. Nice, shiny little box. Let me see. There you go. And it fits really well with the bear. I'm not really sure what they were thinking with the bear bottle, but if you look at the advertising for this one, it's a bit on the racier side. So I think this design is sort of definitely unisex. They did put a guy behind the advertising. However, I think this fragrance can be completely worn by boys or girls. The box in itself matches the bear. Nice, shiny black. The bear is embroidered on here. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of embroidered. Is that the word? I'm not sure. It's kind of raised on the box. They both look really super cute on the shelves. So the notes in Toy Boy are citrus, pink pepper, pear, and a prominent rose note. To my nose, the rose is probably the most dominant note of all of them. There's also cashmere, vetiver, and musk in the dry down, but it will take quite some time for you to get to the dry down. 6 hours plus easy. Let's give it a spray. There you go. So the rose stays present in Moschino Toy Boy the entire time. Toy Boy is a versatile and unisex fragrance. It's perfect for someone who doesn't really like rose, but would like to like rose. The rose in Toy Boy is really well blended with the pear and the pink pepper, making it an extremely versatile and not overwhelming rose fragrance. So nuances of cashmere, clove, and nutmeg are in this fragrance, but you really have to try smelling them. Really get your nose into the fragrance to try to pick them out. They're not laying on top. If you're one of those people who think that nutmeg or clove belongs in a winter's fragrance, then you don't have to worry about this one. They are so faint and actually add to the uniqueness of this particular fragrance. Toy Boy lasts all day for me. The scent stays pretty linear without much development, softening just a bit towards the dry down and the end of it. The rose stays with you the entire time. Not too overwhelming, but it is definitely there. You will smell fresh the entire day. I wore this one yesterday, and 2 people actually came up to me and asked me what I was wearing. Now, they didn't say, wow, you smell great. Oh my God, I have to get this for my husband, or I need to, go and run and get this. But just asking and inquiring what it was, to me, that's good enough. The sillage on Toy Boy is a little bit on the grander side. It's not a Sauvage, but it is definitely a bigger sillage. And that's perhaps because of the floral nature that Toy Boy has. So at this point, you can get Moschino for about $85 US. That's a 100 milliliter bottle, just like this one. Toy Boy is a great choice for you right now if you want to smell different than all the other people out there, like the Invictuses and such. You can also wear Toy Boy all year long. Just adjust your sprays in the summer. That's down in the summer, up in the winter. I think it's a great choice for a signature scent if you'd like. This fragrance is just a bit more on the youthful side of things, but if you're more of a mature person, you can wear this one no problem. After all, it's not about matureness. Is that a word? Maturity. It's not about maturity, and it's not about being immature. It's not about boys. It's not about girls. This fragrance is about a bear, and we all love bears. So this was a quick review of Moschino Toy Boy. If you like fragrances or got anything out of this or just like smelling nice, consider subscribing to my channel and give me a like. I really do appreciate it. I will be back with another video pretty soon, so you'll get notified if you subscribe and hit that little bell that's on there. Up until that point, I want you to take good care of yourself, smell nice, and I will talk to you very soon. Centrail, out.